here we are for lesson number 1 of English. Okay, and the name of our lesson is I Can Swim. What is the name of the lesson? I can swim. मैं तैरना जानता हूँ. I know the swimming. Okay, I know many of the children must be going for the swimming class, isn't it? So here we are starting with the first lesson. Come on, take out your page number 2. Yes, see the lesson number 1, I can swim. So here I am reading the lesson and you have to put your index finger on that line. Okay, come on. Who are you? I am a rabbit. My name is Bunny. Who are you? I am a swan. My name is Dolly. I can swim. Can you swim? I cannot swim. I can hop. Can you hop? Turn the page. I cannot hop. I can fly. Can you fly? I cannot fly. I can run. Can you run? I cannot run. You cannot fly. I cannot hop. You cannot swim. Yes, I cannot fly. You cannot hop. I cannot swim. You cannot run. See. Have you got it? Okay, I am giving you 1 minute. Just read the lesson and I will explain you what exactly in this lesson is. Okay? Okay, have you read it? Come on. Here in this lesson, there is 2 characters. One is rabbit and one is swan. See, do you know, have you seen rabbit can swim? No. Have you seen swan can swim? Yes, swan can swim. But rabbit cannot swim. Okay, so in this lesson, there are 2 characters. One is rabbit. But do you know the rabbit has its own name? It is not called as it is rabbit. Rabbit has its own name. And do you know what is the name of rabbit? The name of rabbit is Bunny. What is the name of rabbit? The name of rabbit is Bunny. Rabbit का क्या नाम था? Bunny. Okay. And the another character we have swan. So we will not say swan. We will, even the swan has its name. Swan का भी नाम था जिससे हमारा नाम होता है ना. Like my name is Rashmi. Even that swan has its name. The name of that swan is Dolly. Isn't it good name? So they had the conversation. Swan said, rabbit, do you know how to fly? And the rabbit said, no, I cannot fly but I can run. स्वैन ने रैबिट को बोला क्या फ्लाई कर सकते हो क्या? तो रैबिट ने बोला नहीं, मैं फ्लाई नहीं कर सकता हूँ बट मैं भाग सकता हूँ. आई कैन रन. ओके. देन द रैबिट सेड टू स्वैन, कैन यू हॉप? कैन यू हॉप? तो द स्वैन सेड, नो आई कैनॉट हॉप. आई कैन फ्लाई. आई कैन फ्लाई. रैबिट ने स्वैन को बोला कि आप हॉप कर सकते हो. डू यू नो हॉपिंग? इट इज लाइक दिस. ओके. तो रैबिट ने स्वैन को बोला कि आप हॉप कर सकते हो बिकॉज रैबिट, यू ऑल नो ना दैट रैबिट कैन हॉप. सो द स्वैन सेड, नो आई कांट हॉप बट आई कैन फ्लाई. मैं उड़ सकती हूँ. फिर इन द नेक्स्ट थर्ड कन्वर्जेशन द रैबिट सेड, आई कैन नॉट फ्लाई. I can run. In this, the rabbit said, I cannot fly. मैं उड़ नहीं सकता हूँ, मैं भाग सकता हूँ. I can run. So the swan said, I cannot run. You cannot fly. So in the laughing manner he said, see, I cannot run. मैं भाग नहीं सकती हूँ और आप भाग सकते हो. I cannot hop. But you can swim. I can swim. Who said this? Swan said. Swan said to the rabbit, I cannot run. I can fly. I cannot hop. I can swim. Okay. Now, in the another hand, the rabbit said, Yes, right. I cannot fly. I cannot fly. मैं उड़ नहीं सकता हूँ. मैं भाग सकता हूँ. मैं हॉप कर सकता हूँ. बट मैं स्विम नहीं कर सकता हूँ. I cannot swim. So here the conversation end. And they were happy कि each of them have some of the things they cannot do. Is that clear? So have you understood the lesson? Very good. So, my dear children, just take out the page number 5. But before take outing the page number 5, just remove your page number 2 and here we have some words. See, write the correct word under each picture. Flying, swimming, running and jumping. So this is the hard words. Okay? Is that clear? So even this you will write in your book. Okay? Now take out page number 5. Read and find. So this is your homework. This I will not say. If you have clear with the lesson, automatically you will solve this. Okay? So I will not help you. And this is the page number 6 and this is already we have done. What was the question? Look at the picture, rearrange the letter and write the correct name. Yes, we have done in the grammar, no? So even this page is for homework. Okay. Now in the classwork, here only you will solve it and here is the answer. See, it's very easy. Rewrite each sentence correctly. Okay, we always write cannot as one word. Cannot, instead of cannot, you have to just write can't. Okay, whenever it is coming cannot, you will just put can't. Okay, you will not say cannot. Like bunny cannot fly. It is not a proper English. So you have to put it in the proper English. Okay. So here we start with the exercise. The first one is bunny cannot fly. So what will come? Bunny can't fly. Very good. Bunny cannot fly. Bunny can't fly. The meaning is one only. Cannot means no and can't also the meaning is no. Okay. But only in the one sentence in the proper English manner you have to put it. That is bunny can't fly. Now look at the second one. Dolly cannot run. Dolly भाग नहीं सकती है. Dolly can't run. The meaning is same. Dolly भाग नहीं सकती है. But instead of cannot we have put can't. Okay. Now the third one. Dolly cannot hop. Dolly cannot hop. Dolly can't hop. Dolly can't hop. Got it? Now the fourth one. Bunny cannot swim. Bunny cannot swim. Bunny can't swim. Bunny can't swim. Okay. Here we will see the sentence was Dolly can fly, full stop, can Dolly fly, question mark. Okay. Now the second one, Bunny can run. And this thing you have to put it in the question. Question में आपको form करना ही है. ये एक sentence दिया गया है और इस sentence को आपको question बना के बताना है मुझे. जैसे कि सेंटेंस दिया है डॉली कैन फ्लाई और आप क्वेश्चन में कैसे बनाओगे इसे कैन डॉली फ्लाई एंड यू विल पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. द सेकेंड वन इज बनी कैन रन. कैन बनी रन क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके. थर्ड वन बनी कैन हॉप. द सेंटेंस इज बनी कैन हॉप एंड द क्वेश्चन इज कैन बनी हॉप क्वेश्चन मार्क. कैन बनी हॉप question mark. Fourth one, Dolly can swim. Dolly can swim. Can Dolly swim? Question mark. Can Dolly swim? Question mark. Okay, is that clear? Now, so this you will do as classwork, and already I have mentioned the answers here. I hope it is clear. Okay, here I am ending my session. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.